Hi everyone, this is The Unspeakable from Innerscapes Art Studios. I'm feeling like a perfect soundtrack for this video would be the Beatles song, Here Comes the Sun. And I cannot use that because of the way the world is and music rights. So you can open another tab if you're on your laptop or on your computer, and I'll leave a link to that song below, and you can play that song and then come back and play this video. How's that? This is iron oxide red that I just put in the cups. That is an earth color. Yellow is a sun color and an earth color. Actually, all of these are earth colors. The earth contains everything. And the 2 weeks of the year before the equinoxes and the solstices are earth times in the Chinese system that I studied, the healing system. And the earth element is not just about dirt. Earth is not just dirt. It is the force that is time and space. It is about comfort and warmth, the hearth. It's about nourishment and digestion, assimilation. It's about the solar plexus and the sense of self, the sense of I am, I exist. So this time is a very balanced time. It's about a time for regaining balance, coming out of the interior of the winter, coming out of the depths of the water time into the earth time. And this is an earth palette and an earth painting. It is actually the same colors that I used for yesterday's painting. I had plenty left and I really liked that combination. So here you have it. It's very abstract. It's about nothing in particular. So let yourself see your earth, your safety, your sense of self, and whatever it is you see. And I appreciate you watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.